Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture of network analysis, I am going to solve some numerical based on the theorems. Okay, so already I had taken earlier. I am just repeating it. Okay, so see here, this is the example number 1. Find the current through 30 ohm by Thevenin's theorem. So what are the steps? First step, remove 30 ohm, this one from here, remove it and find VOC. By opening it, and find open circuit voltage. Okay, so this is 10, 20 ohm, this is 50 volt. Okay, this is open, this is what, 10 ohm, 40, 100 volt, or this is 40 ohm, 20, 50, 10, and this is open circuit voltage developed. So if you know the current through this 20 ohm, you can find the VOC. Anyway, just here how many loops, if it is open circuited, this point A and B are open. So how many loops are there? Only one loop, this loop I. So what is the value of I? I equal to what? V upon R. V कितना है? 100 plus 50. 100 plus 50 upon R कितना है? R कितना है? 10 plus 20 plus 40. 10 plus 20 plus 40. Okay. So you will get 150 upon 150 divided by what? 70. Right now? 70 na? Okay. So I am getting 242 ampere. So I am getting this positive. इसका मतलब है this direction is correct. So current is going in this way, like this. Okay. And we know current flows from higher to lower potential. So this is higher, this is lower. So what we will do? We will find a VOC between this point. So VOC equal to what? VOC equal to VAB. Equal to what? From this point to this point, no change. From here to here, this is minus, this is plus. So it is a minus से plus क्या होगा? Rise 50. From here to here, it is a plus, it is a minus. So plus से minus मतलब it is a drop. Drop कितना होगा? 20 into 2.142, right? So that is VOC I am getting. So कितना आ रहा है? 2.142 into 20 minus 50. I am getting 7.16 volt. 7.16 volt I am getting, that is VOC. Okay. Now next step is what? Find RI. Find RI. How to find RI? By removing all voltage source, by shorting it, and current source if it is there, by opening it. So this is 10, this is 40, this is 20. Okay, between A and B, RI between A and B. So you can say this is A, this is B. So between RI between A and B, so this is A, this is B. So what is the resistance between A and B? Is 20 ohm. This 20 ohm. Another path between resistance between A to B कितना है? 50. 10 plus 40 series, so it is 50. So you can say RI, these two, 50 and 20 in parallel. So 50 into 20, 1000 upon 50 plus 20, 70. So I am getting 1000 upon 70. So I am getting 14.28 ohm. 14.28 ohm. I got it. Now, as per the Thevenin's theorem, IL equal to what? VOC upon RI plus RL. VOC is what? 7.16. 7.16 volt divided by RI equal to कितना है? 14.28 plus RL कितना था? 30 ohm. Find the current through 30 ohm. So that is the value of IL. So 14.28 plus 30 equal divided by what? 7.16 equal to inverse of it. So I am getting 0.1616 ampere, 0.1616 ampere. That is the final answer, IL. Okay, so it is very simple problem. You have to find VOC first, 7.16 volt, then find RI, 14.28, then find IL by Thevenin's theorem. Okay. Second problem I am going to talk. Find the current through 6 ohm resistance. Find the current through 6 ohm resistance by using Thevenin's theorem. So 6 ohm. So पहला step क्या है? Remove. Step number 1. Remove 6 ohm by opening it. And find VOC. Okay, so just I'm going to draw it. क्या है? This is 4 ohm, 12 volt, 4 ohm. This is again 4 ohm. This is 2 ohm. This is 2 ampere. Two ampere, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 12 volt, 4 ohm, and this resistance I am going to remove, and here voltage will be developed. Okay. Now, if you know the current through 2 ohm, अगर ये मालूम हो तो ये लूप बन जाएगा वोल्ट VOC के साथ. So we will get the VOC, right? So current through 2 ohm आपको निकालना है. How will you find current through 2 ohm? No need to do it. No need to do anything. Directly यहाँ से कितना करंट आ रहा है? 2 ampere. What is the current up to here? 2 ampere. Right? Up to here. What is the current here? 0. Why? Because it is open circuited. अगर यहाँ open है तो यहाँ का करंट कितना होगा? यहाँ से 0. अगर करंट यहाँ 0 है, यहाँ से कितना आ रहा है? 2. तो पूरा का पूरा करंट 2 एम्पियर यहीं जाएगा ना ऐसा. सो करंट कितना आ रहा है? 2 एम्पियर, राइट? एंड वी नो करंट फ्लोज फ्रॉम हायर टू लोअर. सो दिस एंड इज हायर, दिस एंड इज लोअर. सो VOC कितना होगा? VOC इक्वल टू व्हाट? फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू हियर 0, फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस यहाँ तक 0. यहाँ से यहाँ क्या होगा? ड्रॉप. वाई ड्रॉप? बिकॉज इट इज प्लस, दिस इज माइनस. सो प्लस से माइनस ड्रॉप. माइनस कितना? 2 into 2, 4. यहाँ तक आ गए. फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर क्या है? माइनस से प्लस, लोअर टू हायर, सो प्लस 12. So you will get 8 volt directly without doing anything. You got 8 volt. Is it clear? This is plus, this is minus, so always plus से minus drop. ये minus से plus 12, 8 volt you will get. Now find RI. Find RI. How to find RI? Whatever the sources we have, removed it by voltage source by shorting it, current source by opening it. We have to find RI between these 2 points, right? This is 2 ohm. This is shorted, voltage source short. Or what about the current source? It is open. It is open. Current source will be replaced by opening it. This is 4. This is 4. this is shorted, this is 2 ohm. What is the RI? How will you do it? So you can say here, अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो RI कैसे निकालेंगे? This is the RI between A, this is B, this is B. We have to find the resistance between A and B. Let us say this is C, this is D. Okay. Now, what about D? B and D will be same point. B and D will be same point. Why? Because there is no resistance between B and D. If resistance is 0, potential drop will be, voltage drop will be 0, potential of B and D will be same. Similarly, what is the resistance between A and C? Resistance between A and C is 0. If resistance 0 here, voltage drop will be 0. So potential of A and C will be same. So C here. Okay. Now join A, C to D, 2 ohm. C kahan hai ye? C. This is D. Here, 2 ohm. This 4 and this 4 in series. Why? Because whatever the current is coming, यहाँ तक आएगा, यहाँ से यहाँ current 0 आएगा. So whatever the current is coming, पूरा का पूरा current यहाँ आएगा. Is it clear? Whatever the current is coming, पूरा का पूरा current यहाँ आएगा because it is open है. So this 4 and 4 in series. कहाँ connected between A and other end कहाँ है? C. So A यह है 8 ohm और C यही है, एक ही point है. 4 and 4 series connected to the same point. इसका मतलब ये short है. Forget it. So what is the RI? 2 ohm between A and B. What is the value of IL? VOC upon RI plus RL from Thevenin's theorem. VOC कितना है? 8 upon RI कितना है? 2 plus RL कितना है? 6. RL is 6. Okay, 8 upon 8 equal to 1 ampere. That is the final answer. So this problem was, ऐसा दिख रहा था बहुत difficult, but it is really very simple. Your concept should be clear, you can get it. Okay, so I'm going to take one more problem. Okay, example number 3. The current through 6 ohm resistance using superposition theorem. Same problem I have given, current through 6 ohm. So from the Thevenin's theorem I got 1 ampere. Now we will see from here what is the current. So first step is what? If you are going to solve the problem by superposition theorem. Okay, so what is the steps? पहला step क्या है? Remark the current here between A to B. Let us say IK. That is the actual current. I am going to consider actual current. Okay, IK from A to B. Maybe A to source. So when you consider 12 source, this is 4 ohm, this is 4 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 6 ohm, and this will be opening it. It is replaced by opening it, right? So 4, 4, 2, 12 volt, and this is 6 ohm, and this current, most probably current will be like this. Let us say IK dash. Consider one source, find current IK dash. How many loops are there? We have 2 loops only. Okay, this is loop 1, say I1. This is loop 2, say okay, I1, and this is I2. So loop 1, current I1 कहाँ flow रहा है? Loop 1, I1 is flowing 2 plus 6, 8 I1 equal to 12. So I1 equal to what? 12 by 8 equal to 1.5 ampere. and I1 is nothing but IK dash. So without doing anything, I got 1.5 ampere without doing anything. लूप 2 में लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी इक्वेशन, ओनली वन. लूप 2 में कोई जरूरत नहीं. यू विल गेट I2 or I2 I don't want, I want this current only. Now consider what? Consider what? 2 ampere source. I am considering 2 ampere source, right? Four ohm, 4. This will be shorted, right? 4. This is 2. 2 ohm, and this will be. This is what? This is what? 6 ohm. And I have to find current will be like this. Current will be upward आएगा इधर. क्यों? ये 2 एम्पियर सोर्स है ना, तो करंट अपवर्ड जाएगा. लेट अस से आई के डबल डैश. ओके, आई के डबल डैश. क्लियर? So how many loops are there? We have 2 loops. Loop 1, I am taking current I1 like that. I am taking loop 2, I2. I am taking loop 3, I3. Okay, so I am taking in this direction I1, I2, I3, anti-clockwise ले रहा है. So I1 is equal to what? I1 equal to 2 ampere. देखो, with the, I told you already we can't write the KVL in the loop which is having current source. So ये current source का value हमने ऐसा लिया है, ऐसे डाउनवर्ड लिया और डाउनवर्ड है. So I1 equal to what? 2 ampere. 2. Loop 2. Current I2 is flowing 2 plus 6, 8 I2. Current I2 is flowing 2 plus 6. कितना है? 8 I2. At the same time 2 में I1 भी है. This is plus, this is minus 2 I1 equal to no source equal to 0. So we can say 8 I2 equal to what? 2 I1. 8 I2 equal to 2 I1. And I1 की वैल्यू कितनी है? I1 की वैल्यू कितनी है? 2 into I1 कितना है? What is the value of I1? I told you I1. Yes, I1 equal to 2 ampere. देखो ना, I1 equal to 2 ampere. So 2 into 2 कितना आएगा? 4. So what is the value of I2? I2 equal to 4 upon 8 equal to 0.5 ampere. And I2 is nothing but IK double dash. I2 is nothing but IK double dash. No need to write the equation here. So I got IK double dash. Now actual current IK. Just here I have taken IK direction downward. I had taken IK downward. IK direction I had taken out downward. So IK equal to what? IK dash. But IK double dash direction I had taken upward, right? So यहाँ क्या होगा? As per rule it is sum, but it is minus IK double dash. What is IK dash? I got 1.5 minus IK double dash कितना है? 0.5. So minus 0.5 equal to what? 1 ampere. So from here also I got 1 ampere from the superposition theorem. So please be careful about it. How to apply the superposition theorem? First step is what? We will remark the actual current. Second step is what? Consider one source at a time and remove other one. Other one कैसे निकालना है? Voltage source है तो short, current source है तो open. In general, otherwise it will be replaced by their internal resistance. Third step क्या है? Consider the other source, remove the first one. Okay, and find IK dash and IK double dash, and then actual current IK by using the sum or subtraction whatever there. So answer we have 1 ampere. Okay, I'm going to solve one more problem. I'm just rubbing it. Now see here one more problem I'm taking. Example number 4. Find the current through 5 ohm resistance by using superposition theorem. I am going to solve the problem by superposition theorem. Current through 5 ohm here. So let us take current through 5 ohm. I am taking, suppose I am taking current like this. Actual current I am remarking. When both the sources of energy are present, remark the actual current, let us say IK. Current through 5 ohm, right? Now consider one source at a time. Consider 10 volt source. 5, 3, 5, sorry, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. And what about the other source will be replaced by opening it. Current source will be replaced by opening it. And because of this source, ऐसा current ऐसे ही आएगा ना. So let us say current is IK dash. Find the IK dash. How many loops are there? How many are loop current? Right? I am taking 2 loop current. This one and this one. So I am taking 2 loop currents. Say I1. For first loop I am taking I1 clockwise. Second loop again I am taking clockwise. So this current and I2, this current, A current है ना, I2 means IK dash, we have to find. So you can write the KVL. कितना loop 1? बोलो, I1 is flowing 4 plus 3, 7 I1 minus 3 I2 equal to 10. Loop 2. Loop 2 कितना है? Minus 3 I1 plus 14 I2 equal to 0. No source. Equal to. So on solving you will get I1. On solving you will get I1. You will get I2. And I2 is nothing but IK dash. So what is the value of IK dash equal to I2 equal to, we will try to get it. So I have a calculator. With the help of calculator I am going to solve these two equations. So how many equations we have to press mode, you will get equation 1, unknown 2, value of I1 is A1 equal to 7, A2 equal to minus 3, C1 equal to 10, A2 equal to minus 3, B2 equal to 14, C2 equal to 0. You will get I1 equal to 1.57, 1.57 ampere, or I2 equal to I am getting 0.33 ampere. And I2, this current and this current is same. So IK dash I got 0.33 ampere. I got it. Clear? Second step is what? Consider the other source. Consider 2 ampere source. Okay, and this will be replaced by shorting it. So voltage source will be replaced by shorting it. टू एम्पियर, दिस इज शॉर्टेड. मैं एक काम करता हूं, मैं करंट ऐसा लेता हूं I1, आई एम टेकिंग करंट हियर I2, I am taking current this I3. If you want, you can take anti-clockwise also. So I3, we can't write the KVL here. This is what? 5. This is 4. This is 3. This is 6. Okay. So I'm just changing the ink. Here. This is I2. This is I3. Okay, so I3 is known. Without, we can't write the KVL in the loop which is having current source. So I3 kitna hai? 2 ampere is known. Okay. Now we will write the KVL in the loop 1. Loop 1. What is the loop 1? I1 kahan flow raha? 4 plus 3, 7 I1 minus 3 I2 equal to 0, no source. Second loop, minus 0 I3 minus or plus equal to 0. Loop 2, minus 3 I1 plus 14 I2 minus 6 I3 equal to 0. Minus 3 I1 plus 14 I2 minus 6 I3 equal to 0. So minus 3 I1 plus 14 I2 equal to 6 और I3 की वैल्यू कितनी है 2. So equal to 12. This is equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. If you solve the 1 and 2, you will get I2. Okay, so I am going to use the calculator. I am just using again equation. Unknown is what? 3 unknowns are there. Sorry, 2 unknowns are there, I1 and I2. So unknown 2 place equal A1. Sorry. Just I am going mode 1. Again I am doing it. Mode. Equation 1. Unknown 2. A1. A1 is what? A1 equal to what? 7. This is 7. This is 7. 7. B1 minus 3. C1 0. A2 minus 3. B2 14. C2 12. Equal I1 equal to what? 0.4. 0.4 ampere and I2 equal to I2 is nothing but I2 or IK dash you can say. Sorry, IK dash remark नहीं था. देखो, when you consider the first source IK dash, second source current will be in this way. So IK double dash here na. So I2 means IK double dash equal to what? 0.94. 3 ampere. So I got IK double dash. Okay. Now actual current IK. Just see here, IK I had taken this direction. IK dash is in the same direction. So IK dash. But IK double dash I had taken in opposite direction. Minus IK double dash equal to IK dash कितना है? What is IK dash? 0.33. Minus IK double dash is 0.94. So this is the answer. 0.943 minus 0.33 equal to कितना है? 0.943 minus 0.33. I am getting 0.613. 0.613 ampere I am getting. Okay. So your answer will be negative because you have taken this direction and actually current opposite direction में ज़्यादा आ रहा है, so it is minus. Okay, so that is the answer. So I had taken 4 numericals, 2 based on the superposition theorem and 2 based on the Thevenin's theorem. Norton's I have taken earlier 2 numerical, that is more than sufficient. Okay, I am rubbing it. Now next part I am going to discuss the graph theory. Okay, so this concept is very important, graph theory, and if you see, generally examiner is asking one question on graph theory in the GATE examination, and that is really very important. So and really it is very simple concept, but you must know 2 lectures I am going to take on the graph theory, and that 2 lectures are more than sufficient to understand it. Okay. Now I'm going to stop here.